The incredible health benefits of eating cucumber. In this captivating video, we delve into the numerous health benefits of regularly consuming cucumbers. Known for their remarkable properties, cucumbers offer a range of advantages that can greatly enhance your well-being. From promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss to supporting detoxification and improving digestion, the advantages of incorporating cucumbers into your diet are truly incredible. Join us as we explore the countless reasons why cucumber is a superfood you shouldn't overlook. Watch now to discover the secrets behind this refreshing vegetable's incredible health benefits. Did you know that cucumbers are more than just a refreshing salad ingredient? They actually provide incredible health benefits that you may not be aware of. So, let's dive in and explore why cucumbers should become a regular part of your diet. First and foremost, cucumbers are extremely hydrating. With their high water content, they are a fantastic way to quench your thirst and keep your body hydrated, especially during hot summer days. But it's not just hydration. Cucumbers also promote healthy digestion. Their high fiber content helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. So, if you often struggle with digestive issues, make sure to include cucumbers in your meals. What's more, cucumbers are a great food for weight management. With their low calorie and high water content, they make for a satisfying snack that can help you feel full without packing on extra pounds. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, cucumbers are the way to go. But the health benefits don't stop there. Cucumbers are also rich in antioxidants, which help to fight off inflammation and diseases. In fact, studies have shown that cucumbers may have potential anti-cancer properties, making them a powerful addition to any cancer-fighting diet. Lastly, cucumbers are excellent for promoting healthy skin. Thanks to their high water content and vitamin C, they help to hydrate and nourish your skin, giving it a healthy glow. So, if you're looking for a natural, budget-friendly skincare hack, slice up some cucumbers and place them over your eyes or use them as a refreshing facial mask. In conclusion, the health benefits of regularly eating cucumbers are truly incredible. From hydration to digestion, weight management to cancer prevention, and glowing skin, cucumbers are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. So, why not start incorporating cucumbers into your meals and experience these amazing health benefits for yourself? Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.